Hey folks, Cooking with Kelbob here, along with my ordinary grill dog, Sherman. Good boy, buddy, good boy. Of course, everyone should have a grill dog because when you drop food on the driveway, you don't have to bend over to pick it up. Hey folks, today I'm doing a honey glazed turkey on the Green Mountain pellet grill. And what I did was I smoked this thing at 150 for just to get a little smoky flavor. I've had it going now for an hour, kind of rubbed down with some olive oil and some real good cooking salt my son brought me back from Mexico. And what I'm getting ready to do is I'm going to apply this glaze to it. And so I sauteed some onions. Well, come here, you can get in it, you can get in it. I sauteed some onions and some jalapeno peppers and some apples, and then I mixed in 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 3 tablespoons of honey, and I put it in the blender, right? So I put it in the blender. That's my glaze. That's my turkey right there. So it's been cooking at 450 for an hour, and now I'm going to glaze it. Pour this stuff on there. And what we're going to do is we're going to crank the temperature down to 225, and then we're going to let it go for another 4 hours. This is an 18-pound turkey. Man, this is going to be good. I can't wait. I'll let you know how it tastes. And for my business partner, Grill Dog Sherman. Oh, Kelbob. Ow. Is it good? You're a good boy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. He's a lover.